Hey little buddies, we just need 2 color papers and 2 lids, that's it. So first of all, take your lid and place on the paper and draw 2 circles. You can even draw more or less, even one is okay. Now fold your circle thrice and then cut the upper part. It is one of the easiest, unique and coolest gift wrap you will ever have. Just pack your small gifts into it. I am sure that your friends and relatives will be super happy. Now trim out 2 petals from it. So we all know that strawberries have seeds all over their body. So with the help of black marker, that's what I am drawing here. You can even use white acrylic, but here I am out of it, so that's why. Now here you need to draw another circle, but make sure that your circle is smaller than the previous one. Now repeat the same process as we did with the strawberries body. Now the most important and interesting part, so we have to sew the upper part. But make sure that your parents or your elders are around you, or you can ask them to do it for you. Do not even take any kind of risk, okay? Now here make a knot on the top. Your unique gift wrap is ready. So make sure that you are hitting subscribe button, or else you are going to miss amazing craft.